In this tutorial, we will learn about Presspull command. To switch to 3D modeling, click here and select 3D modeling. Then click here unsaved view and select SE isometric. Then UCS icon command, enter, select no origin. Then for a Presspull, at first you will have to create some 2D object. At first we will create one 2D object. Suppose I will create this rectangle and this 2-point circle. Then I will remove the unwanted object using trim command. Select all the object, enter, remove the unwanted object. Now I want to convert this object into 3D using Presspull. Click here, Presspull. Then take your cursor inside the object. Once it becomes blue, click there. Then give the direction where you want to go, up or down. Then give the length, how much length you want, enter. Presspull command is still running. If you want, you can Presspull other object also, or you can press escape. Then to give a solid view, click here on 2D wireframe and select shaded with edges. Again we will give Presspull. You can use Presspull for editing purpose also. Suppose I want to change the thickness of this object. Click here, give the direction where you want to give and give the distance. In this way you can reduce the thickness, or if you want to make any other modifications. Suppose I want to extrude this face. Click on this face. Then there is one more option is multiple option. If you choose this option, then you can select multiple faces also. Then press enter. Then give the direction where you want to go and give the distance. Using Presspull, you can do the editing. If I want to remove this portion, then click here, take it outside and click there. Presspull, if you want to reduce the length, click here, give the direction and give the length. And press escape to come out. You can use Presspull for cutting the portion also. Suppose I will create one circle here from using center radius from mid of this line to the mid of this line at the center of this rectangle and give some radius. I want to create a circular hole inside this object. Click on Presspull, click inside the circle, give direction, give the thickness, or you can directly click there and press escape. By clicking on this orbit, you can orbit it by pressing the first mouse button. In this way, you can use Presspull for creating holes also. Right click, exit. And right now we have created the 2D shape on XY plane and we have Presspulled it in Z direction. If you want to create some object on this surface, then from here you will have to change the plane. To create on this surface, you will have to choose the right plane. Now Z is horizontal and XY is vertical. Now here I will create one object, 2-point circle again from mid to mid, and if I again Presspull it, it will be Presspull in horizontal direction. Same way, if you want to create some object on this surface, press escape to come out of the Presspull. Then you will have to use front plane. Click on the front plane. So XY is aligned with this surface and Z is perpendicular to it. Now you can create object on this surface. I will create one rectangle on this surface. Then again using Presspull, if you go inside it will create the hole, and if you pull it outside it will create the object. And if you want to remove this grid, click here and the grids will be removed. Suppose I want to create some object on this surface. Again rectangle, I will take this first point, I will drag this point, go up, click there, and I want to create one more circle, 2-point circle. Then trim it, trim, enter, select the object, enter, remove the unwanted object. Now if I try to Presspull this object, Presspull, now this object cannot be Presspull. If I try to click on this object, it is creating the surface model. Now in such cases, if there is behind 3D object is there, then Presspull is a problem. So to solve this problem, what you can do, you can orbit it and keep it in empty space like this, and orbit it below a bit and keep empty space behind the your shape. Right click, exit, then try to press pull again. Click there, give the direction and give the depth how much you want. So sometimes you will have to orbit it for proper press pull. Now in this case this object and this object is different. If you want to combine these two objects, then you can use the union command. Use this solid union, select both the object and enter. It will get merged. But here line is still there. You can select this line. Now it is not possible to select that line. What you can do, you just move this 3D object, select move, select the object, enter, give the base point, give the direction and remove all the unwanted 2D sketches. Delete it. Then again suppose on the right plane I want to create something. I will choose the right plane. For this object we created the object here. You can also create the object outside. Suppose here I want to create some object on the right plane. Again trim it and then press pull it and give the thickness. If you create the sketch in empty space, it is very easy to press pull. Click there, give the direction and give the length. Then you can move this object. Select move, select object, enter, give the base point, give the second point where you want to place it. Then erase this 2D sketch and orbit it. If you want to orbit using keyboard, press the shift button, press the scroll and drag the mouse. If you want to give color to the object, double click on it and choose the desired color. That's all. Thanks for watching. We will stop here.